Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Kia K8. This sedan has been completely redesigned from the ground up, and it's looking to give the established players in the segment a run for their money. Exterior. The K8's exterior is sleek and stylish, with a fastback profile and a long, low hood. The front end is dominated by Kia's new Tiger nose grille, which is flanked by slim LED headlights. The side profile is highlighted by a sharp character line that runs from the headlights to the taillights, and the rear end is clean and uncluttered, with LED taillights that stretch across the width of the car. Interior. The K8's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. The cabin is spacious and airy, with high-quality materials throughout. The front seats are heated and ventilated, and they offer plenty of adjustability. The infotainment system is a 10.3-inch touchscreen that's easy to use and packed with features, and the optional heads-up display is a great way to keep your eyes on the road. Performance. The K8 is available with two engine options, a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The 2.5-liter engine produces 290 horsepower and 311 pounds-feet of torque, while the 3.5-liter engine produces 375 horsepower and 350 pounds-feet of torque. The K8 comes standard with a suite of safety features, including forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. It's also available with adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at the 2024 Kia K8. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car content, and be sure to leave a comment below letting me know what you think of the K8.